Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. Aerial bundle cables. When a situation arises where traditional cabling is not an option, we are looking for an alternative cabling solution that meets the need for efficiency and convenience while being environmentally sustainable. In this regard, ABC cables, aerial bundled cables, offer an better selection. But what advantages does ABC cable have over traditional bare wire systems to support it? What does the ABC cable mean? ABC cables, aerial bundle cables, consist of a multitude of closely spaced insulated conductors, usually accompanied by an exposed neutral conductor. Basically, ABC cables are made by stranding cross-linked polyethylene, XLPE, insulated aluminum conductors. Conventional overhead bare conductor or cables rely on air as an insulating medium and are mainly used for medium and high voltage power transmission. In contrast, ABC cables offer a modern alternative. The conductors of overhead bundled cables are wrapped in insulating material, and the neutral and phase wires are tightly bundled together. The unique construction is mainly used for medium and low voltage cable applications. Aerial bundle cable application. Aerial bundle cables are able to demonstrate excellent performance in a variety of power distribution scenarios. It is particularly suitable for densely populated urban areas, rural areas with complex terrain, and areas prone to severe weather. Other applications include urban development. ABC cables play an important role in urbanized areas. It can be easily installed in tight spaces and reduces visual impact, resulting in reliable power distribution while maintaining aesthetics. Rural electrification. In remote areas, ABC cable offers a cost-effective and fast alternative to traditional transmission lines. It improves access to electricity without major infrastructure modifications. Disaster-prone areas. In the event of widespread rainy weather, exposed conductors can cause line breaks and accidents. ABC cables are insulated to maintain uninterrupted power in areas prone to natural disasters. Upgrade existing networks. ABC cables are well suited to historic or congested areas as they can be used to upgrade old electrical systems, thereby increasing safety and capacity without the need for a complete overhaul. Tree-rich areas. Special circumstances allow ABC cables to be set up in trees, avoiding operations such as cutting down greenery to build poles. It reduces the footprint of the electrical infrastructure and promotes the concept of environmental protection. Industrial applications. ABC cable meets the high demands and exacting standards of industrial power supply, providing hard-wearing, efficient and safe power distribution solutions for factories and industrial plants. What are the advantages and disadvantages of ABC cables? In an urban development project in a coastal city frequently hit by tropical storms, the use of ABC cables has improved the continuity of power supply to critical infrastructure and residential areas. So, what makes this particular type of cable preferred? ABC wire presents a multitude of advantages, rendering it a valuable option for power distribution networks in terms of efficiency and safety. Advantages of ABC cables. Increased safety. ABC cables greatly reduce the risk of electrical accidents by insulating the conductors. They are safer in densely populated areas or in areas accessible to the public. Higher reliability. The bundle conductor cable have a sturdy design that minimizes power interruptions due to environmental factors. Stable and reliable power supply is guaranteed even under adverse conditions. Quick and easy installation. Each ABC cable specification is lightweight and flexible and can be installed quickly without the need for heavy equipment. As a result, project schedules are accelerated and labor costs are reduced. Reduced maintenance costs. Once installed, ABC cables require less maintenance than conventional power lines due to their durable insulation and resistance to environmental damage. Better aesthetics. ABC cables are compact and aesthetically unobtrusive, making them better for use in urban environments where maintaining the aesthetics of the environment is critical. Versatility. ABC cables can be used in a variety of situations, from urban development to industrial applications, providing a flexible solution to meet different power distribution needs. Disadvantages of ABC cables. Higher initial cost. Due to the advanced materials and technologies involved, the upfront cost of ABC overhead cables and their installation is usually higher than that of conventional power lines. Complicated maintenance. Insulated cables are more challenging to maintain. Cable lines are heavier and require more specialized equipment for maintenance. Installations in hilly areas can therefore result in longer repair times. Potential for insulation damage. Insulation can degrade in extreme weather conditions, which can reduce the efficiency and lifespan of the cable. Risk of overheating. Despite the insulating properties of the cable, there is a potential risk of overheating under certain conditions, and additional monitoring and management may be required during use. Types of ABC cables. Within the broad category of ABC cables, there are several types that are tailored to meet specific needs and challenges. Each ABC cable size and type reflects the versatility of ABC cables. They offer a comprehensive solution for every power distribution situation. Here we will look at the three main types of ABC cables to illustrate the range and adaptability of technology. LV aerial bundle cable is mainly used for overhead power lines with a rated voltage of 1 kV and below. The cable consists of aluminium, copper or aluminium alloys as conductors. They are characterized by bundling several insulated phase conductors around a bare neutral wire, which optimizes safety by reducing the risk of electric shocks and short circuits. ABC cable sizes. Aerial bundled cable conductors have two kinds of aluminium cores and copper cores. The aluminium core application is more in the distribution network, mainly because aluminum is lighter and cheaper. The wire connections and support parts requirements are low. The original distribution wire to the steel core aluminium stranded wire is the aluminium cable's primary choice to facilitate the connection with the original network. In practice, the use of aluminium wire. Copper cable is mainly used as the transformer and switchgear lead wire insulation material. ABC wire insulation protection layer of thick insulation 3.4 mm and thin insulation 2.5 mm. 2. Thick insulation allows frequent contact with trees during operation, and thin insulation allows only short connection with trees. The insulation protection layer is further divided into cross-linked polythene and light polythene, with cross-linked polythene having better insulation performance. What is the operating temperature range of overhead bundled cables? An important aspect to understand when considering the installation and operation of ABC cables is its operating temperature range. Typically, overhead bundle conductor cables have an operating temperature range of 40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius and can be installed at temperatures as low as 20 degrees Celsius. Phase identification of aerial bundled cables. ABC cables consist of multiple insulated conductors that are critical to a safe and efficient electrical system. It is vital to clearly identify these conductors, especially to distinguish between phase and neutral. They can be identified by longitudinal ribs protruding from the core insulation. Three phases can be distinguished using 1, 2 or 3 ribs.